I just want to give everybody a quick reminder, if you haven't started your fall garden yet, it's not too late. Now, it might be a little too late on a few of your crops that need a little bit longer to harvest, such as cauliflower and broccoli, but some easy ones to grow are lettuce, beets, radishes, and carrots. So if you are over your garden, it just hasn't been the successful year that you were hoping for, try some of these simple root crops: radishes, beets, carrots, like I said, and leaf lettuce. They're an easy way to go ahead and enjoy the remainder of our season here, and they're relatively easy to get started. So we just have some seeds that are left over from this spring, and this is just a lettuce mix, and I'm just going to sprinkle these actually all throughout here. If you wanted to, you could do furrows and kind of plant them in lines, but we're just going to kind of scatter these around here. Now, we might want to come back. If you've noticed that you've sort of seeded these a little bit heavily, you might want to come back and thin those, especially on some of those root crops, such as, like I mentioned, carrots and beets and radishes, because they're going to need some more space to actually grow. So if you have two seeds that are right next to each other, they're not going to be able to really fill out that root like you're wanting to harvest later on in the season. So we're just going to sprinkle these in. Now, the big thing, obviously, it is still blazing hot out here. We are in mid-August, but you have until mid-September to get a lot of these in the ground. And take advantage of some of those cooler days. They are starting to happen. We're starting to have a few more showers, and that will help keep these seeds wet. However, during those hot days, you might want to go ahead and make sure that you are keeping this moist, because that's going to ensure that that germination is successful. Now, because these seeds are so small, we don't even actually have to bury them. I'm just going to kind of pat the soil, the potting soil here, over these seedlings. Now, the big thing is you want to make sure that they do stay moist. We are starting to get a few rain showers, but make sure you are keeping them moist in between on those hot days to allow for that germination. There is nothing sweeter than being able to harvest some fresh carrots or some fresh lettuce from your garden this fall. For more information on fall gardening, check out this fact sheet. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.